Hello my loves, welcome to your super fun and super easy lady styling drill. Today we're practicing your gorgeous social dancing arms and legs. So go make some room, grab a girlfriend and let's go. Sensual basic in place. 1, 2, 3. Super slow culito. 1, 3, 5. The other way. Good. Hip ripples. Good. Dip. Finish, basic. 1, 2, 3. First, I want you to extend your leg on the tap like this. Cross in front and extend. 1, 2, cross in front. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With arms styling. Up. Side. Up. Down. Up. Side. Last one. Slide. Basic. 1, 2. Good. Next one, let's add a little bit of arms. So every time we bounce up and down, let your arms react, okay? 1, 2, 3. Cross your arms on 8. Up, down. Turn. Rotate your body. Bring them down. 1, 2, 3, 5. One more time. At elbows, rotate. Body rotation. Bring back. 1, go. Last time. Let's go. Cross. Down. Rotate. Up. Turn. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Good. You see how we're combining already with the foot? Arms? Good. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Good. On the last 7, 8, we will turn now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and basic. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now we do lateral steps. Let's go. Lateral. Come back. Gently to the side. With the arm styling. 5. Rompe. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Madrid. Same thing. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Only arm goes behind first. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Again. Last time. Basic. Turn. Basic. Let's start from the beginning. Let's go with the leg and arms. 1, 2, don't forget to turn. Madrid. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Good. One more time. Give yourself on basic. Let's go. Extend arms. Boom. Up. Down. Turn. Rompe. Madrid. Basic. One more time. Get ready. Let's go. Cross. At elbows, turn. Rotate your body. Turn. Madrid. Basic. 1, 2. Immediately. Let's go one more time. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Great job, loves. Well, my beauties, today you learned that seamless, effortless elegance for your bachata social dancing. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video I upload about styling, footwork, or other tutorials. And check out this video where we explore more bachata fundamentals. I'll see you there, guys. BachaTUyYO, signing out. Mwah.